Okay, hold on. Okay. Hi there, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. If you can believe it or not, it is already almost 2019. So today we're gonna be making a really fun drink that you can enjoy on New Year's Eve using our rock candy syrup, our cotton candy extract, and a little bit of our white chocolate spread. Okay, so our first step is going to be adding in our rock candy syrup, some white grape juice, and our cotton candy extract to a shaker. So just 2 pumps of the rock candy syrup, 1.5 ounces of white grape juice, 1/4 teaspoon of our cotton candy extract, and then we're just gonna add some ice here and shake it. All right, now that everything's nice and shaken up, we're gonna divide this into 2 glasses. I've already pre-garnished these with a little bit of our white chocolate spread around the rim. All right, we're gonna evenly pour this into each glass. Next, we're gonna use some champagne and top one of these drinks off with that. And also I'm gonna flow in about a 1/2 ounce of blue carousel here as well. And there you have it, a sparkling cotton candy champagne spritzer for the adults. And if you're also having kids at your New Year's Eve party, you can top this with sparkling grape or apple juice. And there you have it, a non-alcoholic cotton candy spritzer for the kids. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you do make this at home for New Year's Eve, be sure to tag us on our social media channels at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, stay up to date with all of our promos, news, giveaways, new recipes, all that fun stuff by signing up for our newsletter below and subscribing to our channel.